agri sector has seen an improvement. The figures and the facts are there to show. 2016, the agri ministry, agri was growing at negative. Now, one thing I say, any people to say no. Your mom chance. We are making radio station be a friend. No, but na kwatena so. Na o chatro de chere Ghana for. Na Ghana need to. No watane no no utie no. On konkoye research. On shepo say oh akoye di okan yi. Because obi a ono na penso. Ye kra bro dey free Ivory Coast. Ye kra bro. The common things are ya to me dua di no. E koma den ya ma ye kra ni na aba. And they ono abegina say Ghana for import banking. And also you better expose no. And also no, you better expose no. And then no, it is just for that. Say it's about time. Say we let the ordinary Ghanaian now or Nama Bontia own him how things are done no to really know. Say there be sa party for we no more. Womani ye be no womani ama echire say enye Ghana. Because so to me no be catch us on the ordinary so benya sika 1 million we jai politics and this need. Don't you understand to me no be on where catch us no contribution no talk. Na still a Ghana ni sorry ahomache the work or salary. No akoto abadi ye sa buy na say president be to say Mr. Mahama na say for sign power. It tells you we have a long way to go. Now some of us who have traveled and seen the gains Ghana has made, you know, we won't sit and watch Ghana reverse like they reversed us in 2008. When President Kufuor has set everything standard, all these people had to come and do was manage the progress President Kufuor has done. That is all they were supposed to do. Just that alone, these people couldn't do. Within 1 year, but could you be president within 1 year? I want the easy way out. Makotena senchi, me di jollof near the idea, me de kya don kono Italy, me we ye no, me see yanko IMF. No thinking outside the box. What can we bring other than going to IMF? And then you bet to me I share other than say yeah IMF. Obi de 11 ba obejiska kakrano. Mujina say yeah mpene easy way out. Monko IMF. Adentia because yeah IMF. Into most moko IMF. Ebe ya teke atipe draw into your mind. And yen ye deal. Nembum ateka endra we ye me ateka. Into most my ye be ateka. Na on my name mem. Na ye road unko. Na ye infrastructure lake. Na we say MPP ni ye ubi enra. Into also and no be nipi. Same pony the MPP no. Say when nipa the nipa ko chiri sebe nipa ko animu kra na. We end this ninti. Yet no. Na mo bo bra papa nka mo ko IMF. NDC for. Mukuku kwa ye ma mo mra no. Se mo bo bra papa anka mo ko IMF ana. Okay, no more now. We manage the economy with. How the hell are you in IMF and you tell me say you manage the economy with your own funds that they receive in one more kind Mahama on the Kofi Adoma interview? No, just say the man can lie, and you know me names and the handless. No, na almost said that as soon as video. Say on no so on said that yet thorough checking. Who say okay information I'm in crowd for the mamino and you correct you. Ekufu do koka 10,000 and something kilometers. And this for the original so I know with the dispute and say yes say road minister Ababeka constructed road for Ghana na 4,000 pe. Na sabi road na moment so be ho ko ye na no so ya ye na dey road. Ye nkan home. Asphalt overlays ya ye atoto to Ghana baby ano. Ye fan kan road ho ana. Just say anything to like diabolic. Yempe kwan bia you be confuse Ghana for no monte de ekoso ase o Ghana for de o hunim so mo de enche bia no ma lose ayi nya Charlie mama yanya wise Eriko Poku as the agric minister na penso what the bank chef for man na hye embo ebro na be dua na nkrantie betwa bank ya na nkrantie atwa koko ana akate se Matias so and there Eriko Poku to minya guts Ebejina Parliament, Efre Kufuado or Trofo. Eriko Poku, let me see something and let me say something to you. Say, well, one thing I have come to realize, let's say, Say a ban management of a country, NDC, Monkan. Say ban say, young cotton quasianum and quaje marks there, and the whole world, Madame. Say ban say, young quiet to trust them. Young Quanian fans was young, we are want to say Uncle, and to 3 yen Beko. Young Jimmy, Valanda Boys, December 31st, 4, Azoka Boys, yeah, Rambo United, yeah, we are here every day, yes, all we need is food, yes, you better dear me, swap box, no? Let me tell you something. Ghana, at this particular moment, no, it is moving at a dimension where your old archaic, and I say your old ways of doing things, no, and yet you may be Ghana. Okay? I remember quite clearly. Me yeah, bird flu sada no issue I say. And I make say, Hanabisu echo 6 million. Sada no, man crofo jina we no kre and you could evidence na the buy a chairman through ye. Eriko Poku de no so we are going to do the same thing. Share my mentra there. So Coco, they be a Ghana for a sorry, yes, Coco. Yo, and Eriko Poku. Okay. Coco e wa Ghana ebenya yarea as a Greek minister. When to me a man a technical man who anye research who a Greek sa Coco no yare ko ana ha Coco no. Enu nti kwiani bia wo Coco growing areas mo amana nanom wo Coco no bedi mi adanse 2014 2015 ye Coco e wa Ghana ebe she dwerebe. Price ya na sebe ye kuafo je ebe seye. Afi yam fast forward to Akufo-Addo aban. Me kai pa. Unless NDC Nibi can prove something different. It was Nana Akufo-Addo apenso. And I yene Ivory Coast, another leading producer of cocoa. Eko ye team boom. And ye say ye kuafo no. Ansa no like ye tia cocoa ne kakra mom no. E say ye memo certain things be. Ebi ne de he. And na me no ka say wo cocoa fu a. Na say aban no oni aban ni bidwa de woman say ukoko ye do ho esiesie ho epuru ni ade ni na de ma first na ni ho sa ye papa Mahama de obeka kire ye ne say o ma ye koko atwafo no fertilizer na arehu say ma woman say fertilizer ye dugu enuaba so a ema enuaba nyini no ye papa Mahama nko fertilizer de ma ye kwafo no ye di kogu ye koko ho na ehye na esei. We a fact. Cocoa na sebe ye nananom ni na de abedidi abesu ye so no ebedu president Mahama ne Eriko Poku apenso na Ghana ye cocoa asay ehye. Akufo-Addo ba ya one sebe a Greek minister ene ne mpamfo ne sebe Ivory Coast fo kodi nkita ho ene ye ne so okay ye Ghana ene Ivory Coast a Brazil so ye nkrofo a wo mudua cocoa pa. Say 3 countries we and the cocoa idea no world market for so ye. Ye Ghana near ye Ivory Coast me na Brazil for so the iden aba premium cocoa beans. Ni na Ghana any na. First no ye kuafo sebe ye twa omu cocoa bua. Se Mahama no mo omu cocoa shia na ye mo muska o. Besramo, let me put that on record. Ekuafo na menamo na ekasa because some di tro afekua ho me say na ukoko she anda Mahama na ye mauska okay ebi wo wa